Let's continue with our lesson about demonstrative adjectives. When we say this pencil, that pencil, these pencils, those pencils, we normally use them with a noun, but we can also use this, that, these, and those with a verb, like the verb to be. Is this your wallet? Remember, the affirmative form is this is your wallet. The interrogative form is this? So you switch this is. You put the verb in front. And you see that we have a question mark. Every time you see a sign like this, we say we have a question. We have an interrogative sentence. If it is your wallet, what do you say? Yes, this is my wallet. This is. If it isn't your wallet, you say, no, this is not my wallet. Or you can use the contraction form of is not, which is isn't. No, this isn't my wallet. Is that your wallet? If it is your wallet, you say, that is my wallet. If it isn't, what do you say? No, that is not my wallet. Or, no, that isn't my wallet. Are these your wallets? These, we have several wallets, more than one. That's why we use these. And you see that instead of is, we have are, the plural form. Are these your wallets? The wallets are close. If they are your wallets, you say, these are my wallets. If they are not your wallets, what do you say? These are not my wallets. Or you can use the contraction form of are not, which is aren't. Are not, aren't. These aren't my wallets. Now, the wallets are far away. We cannot use these, we use those. Are those your wallets? They are your wallets, you say. Those are my wallets. If they are not, you say, those are not my wallets, or those aren't my wallets. We usually use this is and is this on the phone. For instance, hi Peter, this is Jane. We have Jane talking on the phone. She wants to make sure that Peter knows that she's on the phone. She says, this is Jane. Peter says, hello, is this Jane on the phone? Okay, Peter asks a question. Instead of this is, he says, is this? Yes, I am. Again, hi, Peter, this is Jane. Hello, is this Jane on the phone? Yes, I am. We also use this is to introduce people. Michael, this is John. We have that lady, maybe Michael's girlfriend, and she wants to introduce John to Michael. She says, Michael, this is John. John says, hello, John, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you too, says John.